Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to create relaxing videos with AI. So first you'll need Leonardo AI and you can generate an image using this prompt right here. You can pause the video to take inspiration. So you'll need a living room and you'll always need this prompt right here, a double height ceiling living room and floor to ceiling window on one side log cabin. And the background is a serene winter night in a mountainous region. So you will need an AI video generator such as Deep AI, which is free and grabs video, or you can actually try to generate multiple right here and then go to TensorPix, basically download that, and then you'll just have to actually just enhance the video basically using AI again, and you will get that basically. So you can stack up multiple videos as you want to right here using the same actual prompt that we use in Leonardo AI. So you can grab the picture here, use it for inspiration as a background right here in Deep AI, and you'll be able to get the best quality picture using TensorPix. It's one of the simplest things to do right here. So that is how you create relaxing videos with AI and fast and easy. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.